Hello friends, hope you're doing well. Before we begin, just sit back and relax. Diva got your back. This one's on me, Fluffy Diva TV.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fluffy Diva here at Fluffy Diva TV. And today guys, I'm going to be making some green juice for you. Green juice, yes? Time to get this summer body ready. So, here we go. We're gonna start making some green juice. So there's cucumber right here.
Thank you for taking time to subscribe.
Green
We
apple
support
right here.
channels like you support mine.
And I've started washing my
Run your
celery.
playlist one at a time. On these white tea streets, you need a
Let me show you
piece
what's inside.
of mine. Fluffy diva. Fluffy diva.
Guys, I also have some kale I'm using. I'm using kale. Curly kale. I'm gonna wash this in a minute. I'll do this one, and I'm adding some ginger to it, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger to it. I'll add a little bit of ginger, and let's see how it goes. Guys, I'm gonna cut my cucumber.
Take you, but taking time to subscribe. We support channels like you support mine. Level valence, all at a time. All these white cheeses, you need a piece of mine. Fluffy diva.
Guys, you know that I've already washed these.
Fluffy diva.
Guys, this green juice that I'm making, very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. The nutrients in there is to die for. So I've prepped that one. I'm gonna be prepping my kale in a minute. I'm gonna have to wash that one. Just give me a moment. When I read up the health benefits of these vegetables, green vegetables are very low in calories, so it prevents and help in digestion. And guys, I'm gonna start doing my blending. I'm gonna start blending. I'm using the foil. That's the one I'm using. That's the one I'm using. I'm gonna put one in.
Thank you
And as usual,
for
I've got my
taking
mix.
time to subscribe.
So many
support
green vegetables,
channels
guys.
like you
Many of the green leafy
support
vegetables are
mine.
very good. They are high in magnesium.
We run
They
your
are low in
playlist
glycemic index,
one at a
and they prevent and
time.
transferable diseases. So, for example, guys, I'm using a cucumber now. Cucumbers help to keep us hydrated because there's water in cucumber. So it helps with vitamin K. It prevents blood clot. Listen, go and read up. Read up about cucumber. It is very, very good. Cucumber is one of the most cucumber is one of the most distinctive and it's good for immune system. Anyway, guys, let's blend.
Support channels that used to promise level valence all that a time. All
yes,
these veggies, you need a piece.
Let us start our blending. That's some cucumber juice I'm making here. I'm adding the cucumber. Guys, I'm adding the cucumber. And all I need to do some nice cucumber juice, guys. Making some cucumber juice. So that's the cucumber bit. So guys, I get some cucumber juice from this and I'm gonna pour it in my container. That's so yummy. I think I have some more cucumber to go. So, and I think that's for cucumber. So that's the cucumber. So guys, I'm gonna add the apple mix. After which I will add the celery and then the peel. So
thank you for taking time to subscribe. We support channels like you support mine. We run your playlist one at a time. On this white
yeah. So it's juicing nicely. It's mixing very nice, guys. Very nice. Guys, I will come back with you in a minute. Guys, I'm now doing the celery sticks. So I'm adding the celery. And you can see it's juicing nicely. So this is the celery going in. Celery going in.
take you, but take taking
guys, now I'm gonna
time to
add the kale and
subscribe.
drink it all now.
Support channels that you support mine.
Curly kale, guys.
Level valence, all at a time. All these veggies, you need a piece of mine.
So guys, right now I've got kale and ginger here, and I'm gonna use a blender to blend this one. I'm not gonna use the juicer. I'll use the blender. Watch your progress. Now I'm gonna be adding my kale. I'm gonna blend my kale and my ginger together so I can add it through. It's very easy, guys. Nothing too long. Easy, easy. Let us squeeze it. So I'm gonna blend this kale right now. And when I blend it, I'm gonna put all the juices together. Watch your progress, guys. So guys, blend the kale. Now, I'll strain the kale.
Thank you for taking time.
Guys, look at this color.
We support channels like you support mine.
That's the kale, guys.
We're on your playlist.
That is the
One
kale.
at a time.
It's kale, isn't it?
On these white tea streets,
kale.
you need a piece.
So guys, there you have it. The ultimate green juice. This one is good to boost your immune system. It helps with your blood flow, especially the kale. The kale that's in there is good for the blood. Guys, if you have a blood disorder, kale is very good for you. The cucumber, like I said, hydrates you. Guys, you need to take a look at this. Run over here, come and watch this, share, like, and subscribe. And guys, this drink I made for a friend of a friend of a friend. So I will be taking it to my friend. I'm not tasting it tonight. I'll be taking it, but this is what it is. Guys, thank you so much for joining. Don't forget, put the thumbs up, hit your notification button, and whenever I go live, guys, you will get notified. So guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for joining this little premiere, this little video. Amen. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.
Greetings, my friends. Welcome in.